Welcome! In this video, we will explore how to acquire high-quality cardiac ultrasound images for the subcostal window. We will walk through the two standard views that can be obtained from this window and cover proper positioning, probe orientation, and the anatomical regions of interest. The subcostal window is located under the xiphoid process. From this window, we aim to capture two key views: the subcostal forechamber and the subcostal inferior vena cava. For all views, the patient should be positioned in the supine position, lying on their back with the knees bent, in order to relieve pressure on their abdomen. Let's start with the subcostal forechamber view. Place your probe just below the sternum in the subcostal area, with the probe marker pointing to the patient's left and the probe toward the left shoulder. If you're ever unsure of the probe start position, on the bottom right of the interface, heart focus indicates on a model where to position the probe on the patient's chest. In the resulting image, you will see four cavities: the left ventricle, the right ventricle, the left atrium, and the right atrium. Just above the heart structures, you can also notice the liver, often visible at the top of the image. On this 3D representation, you can notice the ultrasound beam slicing the heart from below, along its long axes. It provides a clear and comprehensive view of the left and right ventricles, the left and right atria, and the surrounding pericardium. The second and final view of this window is the subcostal inferior vena cava view. From the subcostal forechamber view, rotate the probe 90 degrees counterclockwise so that the probe marker points upward, toward the ceiling, and the probe is aimed toward the patient's head. In the resulting image, you will see the inferior vena cava on the left, flowing directly into the right atrium. The liver is still visible at the top of the image. On this 3D representation, you can see the ultrasound beam still slicing the heart from below, this time in a transverse plane, capturing a cross-sectional view of the IVC entering the heart. To summarize, from the subcostal window, two standard views are acquired. For the subcostal forechamber, place your probe in the subcostal area with the probe marker pointing toward the patient's left. Your probe should be oriented toward the patient's head. Then rotate your probe 90 degrees counterclockwise to obtain the subcostal IVC view. The probe marker should now point toward the ceiling. For the subcostal forechamber view, it is crucial to visualize all four cardiac chambers: the left ventricle and left atrium, the right ventricle and right atrium. For the subcostal inferior vena cava view, it is essential to visualize the IVC, located near the right atrium, in order to measure its diameter. Here are a few helpful tips to keep in mind when acquiring subcostal views. Apply gentle pressure with the probe to slide under the ribs and improve your acoustic. Inform your patient that this slight pressure is necessary and in almost all cases totally painless. Place your probe close to the sternum. This helps ensure you're in the right area to visualize the heart clearly. Aim your probe toward the heart, not directly into the abdomen. Ask the patient to take a deep breath and hold it. This lowers the diaphragm and brings the heart closer to your probe, improving image quality. Mastering these small details will help you obtain consistent, high-quality subcostal images. In this video, we covered the location of the subcostal window, how to acquire the two standard subcostal views, practical tips to improve image quality. By mastering these techniques, you will be able to consistently and reliably acquire subcostal images.